Well, today, 6 years ago, the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was launched with an ambitious aim of banking the unbanked. Today, in series of tweets, Prime Minister spoke about the kind of success story this Jan Dhan Yojana has been so far. We have more.
इस प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना के माध्यम से हम देश के गरीब से गरीब लोगों को बैंक अकाउंट की सुविधा से जोड़ना चाहते हैं। आज करोड़ों करोड़ों परिवार हैं जिसके पास मोबाइल फोन तो है लेकिन बैंक अकाउंट नहीं। ये स्थिति हमें बदलनी है।
With the dream of securing the future of millions of poor and downtrodden families, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had launched the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana on the 28th of August 2014. This ambitious scheme, launched with the aim of financial inclusion of the poor, has completed 6 years on Friday. The journey, which started from zero, created its own unique identity in the country today. Revolutionary features such as insurance facility, digital payment, direct benefit transfer have made this account an important companion for the poor people living at the last mile in the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took to Twitter and said, "Thanks to the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, the future of several families has become secure. A high proportion of beneficiaries are from rural areas and are women. I also applaud all those who have worked tirelessly to make PMJDY a success. Hashtag 6 years of Jan Dhan Yojana." Home Minister Amit Shah also congratulated Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the scheme and said that with the aid of the scheme, crores of people were benefited during this pandemic. Prime Minister Narendra Modi started the Jan Dhan Yojana with his visionary approach. The poor, who were deprived of banking facilities for decades, got their right and were empowered in the form of Jan Dhan accounts. Funds not only directly reached the bank accounts of the poor, but also ended corruption in between. Meanwhile, Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar, on the occasion of the 6th anniversary of Jan Dhan Yojana, said, "With the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, the government has provided banking facilities to the underprivileged, security to the insecure, and help to the needy. During the coronavirus-induced lockdown, crores of such Jan Dhan accounts were used to directly assist the beneficiaries. From various schemes, about 55,000 crore rupees was transferred through bank accounts."
Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana has brought the unbanked into the banking system, expanded the financial architecture of India, and brought financial inclusion to over 40 crore account holders. I must emphasize that a majority of the beneficiaries are women, and most of the accounts are from rural India.
Under the scheme, state-owned banks in the country carried out an unprecedented campaign to open accounts of the people with zero balance. In the first year itself, more than 17 crore accounts were opened. Now, after 6 years, the number of Jan Dhan accounts has crossed 40 crores. Of the total accounts opened under the scheme, 63.6% have been opened in rural areas. At the same time, 55.2% account holders are women. By August 2020, the amount deposited in the accounts crossed 1,30,000 crore rupees. Also, there's been an increase in the average deposit amount in Jan Dhan accounts.
जो व्यक्ति अंतिम छोर पर था, जिसके पास बैंक अकाउंट नहीं था, तो वो इनफॉर्मल जो सोर्स है वहाँ से उसको ऋण लेने के लिए मजबूर होना पड़ता था। ये अकाउंट सब ज़ीरो बैलेंस से शुरू हुआ और आज मुझे ये कहने में गर्व है, खुशी है कि 1,30,000 करोड़ रुपया इनके बैंक खाता में जमा है। इसका मतलब ये व्यक्ति सब जो है इस अकाउंट को यूज़ भी कर रहे हैं और अपना जो पैसा है उसको संचित भी कर रहे हैं और नियमित रूप से उसमें काम भी हो रहा है।
From the ramparts of the Red Fort on the 15th of August 2014, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced opening of bank accounts for every family in the country, no one had imagined that this plan would become the basis of welfare for the poor in the future. Its biggest gain has been that money reaches where it ought to reach with full transparency. With inputs from Ajay Mishra, Newsnight Desk, DD India.